you guys. Sorry if it's really bright. The sun is bouncing off the snow. But here we go. It is time to reveal my brand new Supermoto. So hopefully you guys are ready. The lake is still halfway frozen. But here we are. It's currently filming this at the end of March. It'll probably go up middle of April, something like that. But we've had this Supermoto since the end of December. It's the last weekend in December before Christmas, because the dealership was closed for Christmas weekend. So I think it was December 19th, and there was a reason we had to get it in December, and that'll be an upcoming video. But yeah, so it's a pretty nice bike, and you guys will see it here in a second, so hopefully you guys are ready. Alright, here we go. Ta-da! Here is my brand new 2021 Zero FXS. It is the 3.6 version, but I have two batteries in there, so I can take out one of the batteries and it'll be 40 pounds lighter. But so both batteries combined together make it to 7.2 total. Yeah, so I was kind of hoping to get a 2020 because this is like an OD green color, and the 2020s were like black with blue zero here, and it was blue accents pretty much, so that would have looked really cool. So if anybody has a 2020 and they want to switch plastics with me, we can go ahead and trade. Yeah, it's super nice so far. Cycle Cruiser, I know you're looking at one of these. I would definitely suggest trying it out, because you probably would like it, I would imagine. It does have forged wheels, so instead of having spoked wheels, you don't have to have tubes in the tires. The rear, however, is only a 140, which is pretty small in my opinion. I don't know if you would be able to fit a 150 there. That's some pretty tight clearance right there. So I think 140 is probably the most it can go, and it is belt driven. It has a huge sprocket on the back. I did get some options from the factory, which were the windshield and these hand guards, and that's about it. Those are the only options that I got. I mean, these headlights, I've said before, kind of looks a little weird, but it's whatever. You can't change them at all, I don't think, without messing it up. Oh, hey, there's another Supermoto. Nice. It's a Yamaha. But yeah, this is the new bike, you guys. Let me know what you think. I do like the seat on here. It dips down for where you sit. It holds you. Another Supermoto. Geez, two more. Wow. So it dips down from where you sit, and that makes the seat height like right at 33 inches. And it does have hydraulic brakes, so pretty much, and they're clear too. So you, not that you ever use the brakes, the Regen in Eco mode at least, slows you down quite a bit. Pretty much the only maintenance you'll ever have on this is brake pads, maybe, tires definitely, and brake fluid. But yeah, it costed me, what did it cost me, like $12,000 something dollars, and I put down the amount that I had from my old Supermoto before I sold it, because I knew I was going to sell it eventually, and so I had that in the bank. So I was like, I'll just put that down, and then I'll replace it whenever I sell the old Supermoto. It's super quick, like off the light, and it does have the whirring sound of electric bikes. It is very quick. I would imagine up to probably 50 miles an hour maybe. It could keep up with the live wire in sport mode. I would definitely say it would keep up with the live wire, because this bike is super light. So that's what it would have. The only thing would be the tire, if you break the tire loose. But I don't imagine that would happen. And it does have a pretty basic dash. It doesn't have a color TFT or anything, but you turn it on here, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you hear the click, and then it's on. And then you got your on and off switch right there, and then your mode button here, which probably should be on that side because your left hand really has nothing to do. You got your brights, your flasher, hazards, turn signals, and horn over here. I got 49 miles on the odometer. So this seat, let's see if we can get a better picture. Yeah, so right here, the seat is thin up here, it gets a little wider, and then this right here, the case for the batteries, is what makes you like spread out your legs a little bit more. But it's not too bad. I mean, I can still tiptoe on it just fine. And having this windshield on here, I was originally just going to use it for winter riding. But apparently it increases your efficiency by I think 5 to 10%. So we'll just say 8% to as an average. So that is actually an added benefit to it. It has halogen lights, halogen turn signals, and halogen brake lights. I don't think you can change them over to LED without getting something reflashed in there at 0. So I would like to switch them to LED eventually. And these headlights, I haven't ridden at night yet, but these are decently bright from what I can tell. But it's super light too. I mean, it's only, with both batteries, it's 290 pounds. Take one battery out, it's 250 pounds. So it's not a heavy bike. And yeah, I mean, the only thing I would really change on it would be the plastics. Because I mean, the OD green is nice, but it would look much better in black. And I don't know why there's a ton of people pulling in here, but I guess that means we should wrap it up. So hopefully you guys like my new Supermoto. If you do, hit the thumbs up button. This is the future of motorcycles, so it's probably gonna be mandatory here before long. Let me comment, let me know what you guys think of the Supermoto. I can't really start it up for you and let you hear it. I mean, there's nothing to hear. If you guys really like the video, share it with a friend, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day. We'll be right back.